Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new product and it's got holographic shizm and is in it. It is the holographic gel polish. Oh! There are 12 beautiful colours in the collection. I want to show you every single one, and I'm sure there's a few that are like essential. I pretty much can look at that collection and think, yes, we'll definitely need this, 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 and that. And maybe that one as well. So I'm going to start off. I've got a tip. I'm going to just demonstrate these colours so you can see them in their true beauty.
In a natural environment.
Oh, yes.
I think you should do an Attenborough version of a video one day.
Yeah, definitely.
100%.
I need to practice his voice. So we're going to base coat the tip, because that's what you would do if you were doing it on a natural nail. We're going to cure that. We're going to go with this one first. Graphite Glow. It's very nice. Look at that. So we're going to go with one coat first of all. And it has some transparency. So you could actually layer this over colours. So imagine this over a black. That would look beautiful. We're going to cure that. We're going to do a second layer so we can get the true colour. So we're going to go in with the second coat of colour. You're going to get more coverage and you'll be able to see the true colour. Obviously this is a clear tip. If you're going to put it over something that's nude, like natural beige acrylic, then yes, it wouldn't be quite as transparent. So you've still got a little bit of transparency, but that's due to the clear tip. Let's pop that in the lamp. Because this is a clear tip, I am going to do a third layer just to make it slightly more opaque because we've got a clear tip. Pop that in the lamp. Let's top coat this now. And cure that. Definitely looks more holographic in real life. So as I feel like this, I can see like a colour shifting kind of gold and blue.
Yeah, the camera's just not quite picking that up, is it?
No.
I can sort of see the gold in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. In real life I can see it, but on camera I can't really see it very much. Believe us, people, it's there.
It is. It's very nice. I like it. It's beautiful. Let's go with the next.
It looks nicely textured.
Yes. So now we've got Unicorn Blood. Oh, what a cool name that is.
Ah, see, I can see that one pretty much.
Straight away.
Oh, actually, no, I don't know. Is it the gold thing underneath?
Maybe.
Yeah, I think it's the gold thing underneath.
Oh my god. So we're going to do 3 coats of that, same as we've done before. And you can see that I actually quite like that it's a little bit transparent, because I think that over a nude just looked really nice. It had like a bit more pizzazz.
There's a lot of different hues in that one, isn't there? It's like pinky, blue and gold.
Yeah.
And that's looking at through the camera, so I'll see what it looks like in real life.
Yeah, nice, isn't it that? That's definitely an essential colour to have. Let's try another one. This is the first time I've used these, so it's quite nice for me to
experience.
Yeah, like have a real good little play with them and show everybody else at the same time. So this one is called Candy Floss. I do like candy floss. Flavoured.
Isaac loves candy floss. It's so funny when he's eating it. It's like, where's it gone?
Yeah.
Puts it in his mouth and then he's like, it's gone, give me more.
This would be cool for like a jelly nail. A holographic jelly nail because of the pink. Pop that in the lamp. Gonna go with 3 coats again. There we are, that's with the top coat on. This next one is called Confessions. So we've got a nice pink. Pop that in. If we look at that compared to the other one's a little bit more lilac. So Candy Floss is a little bit more lilac and Confessions is more of a pink with that holographic effect running through. The next colour is called I Like It Rough.
Okay.
Naughty, naughty, who named that one? This is more like rose gold, I would say. Definitely, let's do 3 coats of that. That's a lovely rose gold kind of colour, I would say, with a nice holographic finish. And then we've got Ignite. This is slightly more bronzy.
I like that you can sort of like, you have all these names for colours. Because you can look at that and go, oh, it's bronzy, it's beachy. I would kind of look at that and I'd be like, it's orange.
It's orange. Definitely not orange.
Yeah, but
You think half the reds are orange?
My limited sort of vocabulary in
on colours.
Colour, it's like black, it's white, but you would say, oh, it's midnight or it's eggshell.
This, I suppose, has got like a bit of a rose gold thing about it, but it's more on the orange side of rose gold rather than the pink side of rose gold.
Okay. So there is orange in it.
Yeah, there's orange hue in it.
I was right.
Yeah.
It's just a shade of orange.
It's definitely not orange
50
though.
shades of orange.
So I think this is more rosy rose gold and this is more goldy rose gold. Obviously with that holographic shimmer. And then we've got Indie Glow. Oh, I like that name, Indie Glow.
I like that as well. I think it's a clever play on words.
Oh yes, I like that.
I like that just coming out of the bottle. You could definitely see the purple and gold.
Yeah.
See on the edge of the bottle? It sort of splits a bit.
It's nice. Let's pop this in. Nice purple. And then we're starting coming into the sort of blues. This is like it's not quite blue because it has got that lavender colour in it. And it's called See Me Blue. you can really see the holographic. I mean, in real life, it's like, lovely. I think probably the silver and the gold are my favourite. So the unicorn blood and the golden sands. There are all the beautiful colours. Which one is your favourite? I am definitely loving golden sands and loving unicorn blood. But I do really like these two as well. Possibly Confession being my favourite out of those two. Love them. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it's give you a bit of an insight to this new collection that Nao Nails have done. It's a holographic collection. Yeah, if you want to check them out, look below. Click the little pointy down thing, and in that description box will be all the colours, and you can just have a little look at them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.